Hi friends, welcome to my channel. There are certain things that happens in this world that not even science can explain. Why I am telling this story? Because of today we are going to discussing about top 7 mysterious temples in India. In that, first one is Hazrat Kumar Ali Darwish. It is located in Shiopuri village, Maharashtra state. The Dargah is located on the outskirts of Pune and 16 km from the main city of Mumbai. Not the whole place, but there is a particular stone that holds the mythological significance. The stone is believed to be blessed by the saint. The stone is weighed 90 kgs and it is impossible to pick the stone except for one way. In order to pick this holy stone, a group of 11 men is required who can lift the stone with their index fingers while they call the name of the saint in unison. There is no other way to pick the stone up. Science has failed to provide any reasons for the happening. Second one is Nidwan. This temple is counted among the most mysterious temples of India. Nidwan is a forest with holy temple. Rang Mahal located in the temple city of India, Vrindavan. The temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna. Apart from holding several mythological beliefs, the activities that take place in and around the temple are beyond explanation. Nidwan is a dense forest with a lush green trees. The interesting thing is that the barks of trees are hollow and the land is absolutely dry, but the trees remaining loaded with green leaves throughout the year. No tree stands straight and is bent towards the earth. Devotees believe the tree performs Ras Leela at the night. Coming to Rang Mahal, there is a deity of Lord Krishna decorated beautifully. The temple is shut after the evening prayer and various things such as saris, sweets, betel nuts and kept inside the temple. Every morning the priests see the sweets are partially eaten and the cloths have been used. No one is allowed on the premises of the temple after the sun sets down. It is believed that Radhakrishna comes to the temple every night to rest. Anyone who has tried to see what happens in the night either dies, go blind or become insane. The place remains mysterious till date. Third one is Jwalaka temple. Jwalaka temple is located in the Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh. Temple is dedicated to Sati, wife of Lord Shiva. What may leave you in dismay? Here is the eternal flame that is burning in the premises of the temple for 100 years without any source of fuel. If the mythological story is to be believed, then Sati killed herself after her father mistreated Shiva. After her death, Lord Vishnu divided her body into 51 pieces, which fell on different parts of earth. The tongue is believed to be fallen at this place, where Jwalaka temple has been constructed. Many scientific organizations have come to here to research about the source of this eternal flame but have failed. Fourth one is Sugali Mata temple. It is located in the Awa, Marwa district of Rajasthan. This temple has another mysterious story to unfold. The deities inside the temple have a tilted neck and remains tilted no matter if you try to change the idol or reconstruct it. People have tried several times to change the deity with a perfect one, but even the perfect idol tilts its neck after some time. And those who are trying to change the deity fall sick. Many believe that the reason behind the tilted neck is that many freedom fighters used to visit this temple. Once this deity was shot by the Britishers, giving it a reason to have tilted neck. Fifth one is Bullet Baba. People in India worship cows, monkeys, stones, trees and everything, but a bullet, this is a question of wonder. Here goes the story behind this temple. A man on his bullet died in an accident where current this temple resides. The next day, police took his body and bike away and kept the bike in the police station. Next day, the bike was found in the exact same spot where the person died. Next day, the bike was tied to a chain, but till it made its way to the spot. This kept repeating several times until the bike was permanently set there and a temple of Bullet Baba was created. The bikers and travelers pray at this temple for a safe journey. Sixth one is Veerbhadra Temple. Veerbhadra Temple is located in the Lepakshi district of Andhra Pradesh. At times, it is also known as Lepakshi Temple. The temple is known for its architectural beauty, but what catches hold most of the visitors is the hanging pillar of the temple. Although there are 70 pillars in the temple, but one pillar which lies hanging in the premises of temple is a piece of wonder. To prove that, many people pass a piece of cloth through the bottom of the pillar. The mystery behind how this pillar stays intact without any support remains a million-dollar question till date. Seventh one is the linearity of Chidambaram Nataraja Temple, Kanchipuram Ekamareshwara Temple and Sri Kalahasti Temple. Some mysterious temples have left people in awe. In the era where there were no scientific tools, 3 temples were built in the exact same longitude at 79 degrees 42 minutes east. The Chidambaram Nataraja Temple in Tamil Nadu, Kanchipuram Ekamareshwara Temple in Kanchipuram district of Tamil Nadu and Sri Kalahasti Temple in Andhra Pradesh all lies on the straight line. These temples are considered to be Shiva Lingams, representing various elements of earth such as air, earth and space. The fact that it was built thousands of years ago where there were no scientific tools to measure the point on earth leaves many people in dismay. Some consider it to be a coincidence, but even if it is a coincidence, it is worth noticing. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and family.